hela? Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia Tap Send, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia Tap Send wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download Tap Send kutoka Google Play au App Store. Tap Send. Send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu Gusii.
Tariki ni 12 cy'umutinyo gatano narimo umwaka w'Ibere 2024 Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere cyabona mubaso gitaseni ne Ndizi TV asinabere nkwirobere wekirano kwanike mnanga koletranda mangana Amayia unabere kagwatika kora chingongo chonsi enye Chinsa mwanchi mulielia nabakwenda gusangana into asi Chinsa mochiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital nabagensemeri ya YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ye website gwetra www.ndizitv.net iritrane Fridah Kerubo nolyo kaneke bna chibi channel yogira gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Petra Mukira asensemo chibyarkale ni gotokubwatrana nere Lydia Mose chinga kitoroche omuswada bw'ikibeso gende takoleta liberera asense ya Kenya anene ase amagoliye y'ebintu arachikoba kagukina nabaga sense mende County ya Gusii nigo abakora imirimo kuri wasensemeriye labo babere bakobetanse ese yo gwanchirana na serikali ya county yo ase okwerenera obokoreri bwabo magega yo gukora umugiro ase amatko 52 nabo yo kuri sorgongo rwa Gusii ya mateye monigo yago kero obokoreri w'ikigambiro ime county ya Kisii magega yo konyora oboene ase endemiro yabo mwanchi murigereria ayongati yali nkwaliganete asomo basorero toskatonyegera kwirana ndasegeke Kerubo elindi ngumenya mange asinchira iyo wenye. Amate eyemo kurasensemeri ya Kyogoro asirieta George Mukamba oyore entakana nigo aberiga kwenyorera obwene bwaye gwetera ase endemero yabo yokonyora abeire gakunererwa okwana nigo abagakwene kibone nige nyumba eyabetege kwagachwa ase endemero yo yabake gotagurwa emambya yabono igamagega yekegambiro kurwa ase county ya Kisii korugo chika ebege korusigororo inse yoboteneneli bw'abanyanyimbo kurwa ase gitaseni ya Kyogoro nigo abagakwiranira mbiyamo no gucya ase ikigambiro kyo ase okweneke buna enkeyo yabeire igekonyora obwene asikolende abolya bali bakugura chindemero kweneke buna ngobwate bali ebitambukero bibwenerete
ora bori mwabantu babere bagodena dada nere umoni no mugore ina nabagore dobore mobo bona abishwari atimora agorobore mo abantu babere bo one bodigere yaji yagereri ekanaje gine gataba iga mwanyare kungaine kodi one gento garobore mo diga bodigere Chinsa kana amane tukanyara cyasi tadonyara cyasi ayi akayara nande bagamyoka abiri gendrete iga sene ko minyoga basi nande bagamakore nande umuntu onde nande gorokwe banizimogwa nera akazoikina nande ko umuntu ogwa ande goje kamugani kamade ya to gojo nyese gina gati ojabe gojo nye gide kiaro gambi kurro gojo baka kiare nande ocho inyoro agagu application ya bedete agagu zuko abire ya kaminyoga ekaera nande gare agenda bono mande bagiti kuisanaga nande bagarete nande umuntu we family tese mbati nande bagabeke gina kene rokodi one gine gene rokodi na najete ngarere ai kodi ngate bona banda banjandre pagane bonga devone gento geroro no gwe buchodazi ese gine ke kwa bwete kuro bagapiri nganyora chi fiction yoda bono ndochi nyasaye okorro gwanja kwae ndochi
Gutigana nayo na gusika bwesio ase ayagendete gokorekana nigo ngukumenya buno murai wense Dr. William Ruto litkolia lero nigo abaga kumwaligani bene omwambassador kora sensemeri ya Bosnia ase enyumba yoborai enene emyomochi o Nairobi okwana Ruto nigo abakagwanchirana ogoikirana ku Mombasa yo kubatikana nelichiko lya Kenya asaine kya kwagacha obwamate obuyagati ye Chinsa cho Ibere oigo gosanga no mwambassador yo chinga kya bakagwikirana emyomochi o Nairobi nigo ainekya okobweterana nense ya Kenya linde kwanekya obokoleri obya anene ase ogokenya ochume.
Your Excellency, I have honor to present to you, Excellency, the letter of recall of my predecessor and my credential by which Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina has appointed me to be next Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Bosnia and Herzegovina to the Republic of Kenya. Allow me, Your Excellency, to present the compliments of the Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina and the people of Bosnia and Herzegovina to you personally and through you to the people of Kenya. It's my earnest hope that I shall succeed in my endeavors to promote further the relation that exists between two countries and that has a long history, even from the period of former Yugoslavia, in which Bosnia and Herzegovina was Central Republic. We established good economic ties, and some important Bosnian companies were successfully present here in Kenya for years. Your Excellency, let me remind you that the Presidency of Bosnia and Herzegovina brought a decision to open the embassy in Nairobi, which will be the only embassy that we have in this part of Africa. We believe that this will be additional incentive for strengthening bilateral relations between two countries even further.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of Kenya, by dint of Article 1324B of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize Your Excellency to pursue the interests of your government within the territory of Kenya by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible and within the law the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations, and thereby enlarge our relations to the widest possible extent and merit. I welcome the decision of your government to open an embassy in Nairobi, and I look forward to the conclusion of that exercise. Congratulations, Ambassador, on your appointment, and welcome.
Omusada bwechibesani gogendete kolentali birera linene ase ense ya Kenya ase amaguliye y'ebintu arachikoba kagokina gati y'ebintu birabe bikomenta amaguli ngamona ebitamba byobocheno nabaigo ase ensemeri ya Pambas korende korengana ne wizara y'ebintu bitoetanaine nigo barabarengete gusangirira chibilioni 50 ase ensemo yebango enya.
The medical expense from mismanagement of environment. It far outweighs, what we are proposing in terms of levy. And what informed the number chairman is the hazardous nature of these items. If you look at the e-waste, most of those batteries that we have in our phones are potentially carcinogenic. But they all end up in our dump sites, end up in our waste waters, sources of our water, our soils,
So we are taking the 47, and we have these intergovernmental relations with the county governments, and it is a call for them. So lastly, Chair, is to indicate, and we have, of course, it is only us from the government who are supporting the bill. Let me put it so.
Magiga y'abakori emirimo kuri sensemeri yelabu gukora umugirobo asigika ky'amatko emirongo 52 nige serikali ya kaunti ya Busia mukige tambukiro nabo gutwara igikaro ky'abene n'abakori emirimo abo ase okonyara lichibu lyo gukora umugiroyo okwana omukonye wo mugavana wa kaunti ya Busia Arthur Odera nigo aira emirubili ya serikali babere bakobeka ase kyabna ebikora bune byumbigo chikwanekegwa amatuko abusyo asiboigo ainekebna nigo babere bakobita eseyo gwanchirana nabigo niga bakora emirimo byo baraba bakwiranira obukorere bwabo litkolya Jumatatu.
So that which is within our scope to manage this. Well, the sign otherwise,
Thank you. Asante sana. Thank you. We are very keen to make sure that these officers who man our labs and do the testing, which goes into the process of treatment, return to work as soon as possible. And I am glad to mention to you that we have had very good success, very good discussions here, and we know that in a few days, this team, on the basis of agreeing on the issues, agreeing on the actions that the county government needs to take, has accepted that we take that matter forward, with the county government taking action and them returning to work with effect from Monday, 17th June 2024.
We have agreed on a number of issues, but there are others that are still pending, which we have not agreed on. So what we are requesting is that the county government of Busia to expedite on matters that we have not agreed on, so that we can bring back these members to work. As a union, we wouldn't really like to keep our members out of work, yet the people of Busia are suffering.
Abanyanyimbo kura sensemo ya Migori nigo babiri bakonalia enyasole yekerengo gichi milioni 5.2 asensemelia yakuria gukwana nabariki bamangana nigo baenekia konalia boigo abakagirwa batatu ase okurusie enyasole yokurwa asenseria ya Tanzania gocha sense ya Kenya kode nigo baenekia gochikobaikia bosi wikigambero ase okwirenelia amabolio alingete okobeko byara kwabo.
Our officers laid an ambush, and we were able to get hold of the 5 sacks, which the transporters, the 2 suspects who were transporting the same in the 2 motorcycles that is just with us, they tried to hide the same in a certain homestead, and we were able to get the 5 sacks. At the same time, among the 2 suspects, we were able to arrest one of them and also the 2 occupants of that homestead. So in our custody, we have 3 suspects who are waiting to be arraigned in court for the offense of transporting and dealing with the narcotic drug.
Tutashtaki na makosa mawili. Kuna ule tutashtaki na trafficking in narcotics, alafu wengine wataenda na possession of narcotics, ambapo faini yake ama kifungu chake si chini ya miaka 10 na hakuna fine. Kwa hivyo mtu atakuja kuosea chela.
For now, the last 3 months, we have managed to confiscate almost over 20 sacks of cannabis sativa with a street value of over 30 million.
Manchu murigereria kurwa soro batiuruni na ikiro mweli oba mangana maya ase urebiga chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mangino nyara sinchira yowenye konde genda kutubwatia Chinsa mochiche mitanda Chinsa ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Magachi kamera soko nekemna ebi chana bageliogi lyago kira sole asinchira ya bene na repetra mokera asinse mochibi orokali tabeto kubwata Lydia Mose na Kerubo Fridah twara obugelia orobia.